The Supreme Court has dismissed the plea for the fresh delimitation exercise in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, stating it can only occur after the first census post the year 2026 as per the constitutional provision. The bench, that has been led by Justice Suryakant and in Kotiswar Singh, clarified that there is no current mandate to implement the Section 26 of the Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act to increase the assembly seats. While rejecting the plea, the court upheld the constitutionality of the delimitation exercise conducted for Jammu and Kashmir as well. Sambhav Sharma joins me with the latest updates on this. Sambhav, Supreme Court has rejected the plea over the delimitation post and the verdict is out rejecting the exercise which can only be held in 2026 census. What more details are you picking up?
Justice Joymala Bakshi, where it was said that when on one hand, it was sought from the central government to conduct a delimitation exercise in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana on the same lines like it was conducted in Jammu and Kashmir. So on this, the bench of the Supreme Court bench said that these two states, that is Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, cannot be treated at par with the state of Jammu and Kashmir, where delimitation was undertaken in 2022 and the number of assembly seats were increased. So this is what is said, and hence the Supreme Court rejected the petition filed by one person called Purushottam Reddy. And now the remarks made by the court, the remarks are very important, where the Supreme Court held that we have held that this will open floodgates for all states to approach seeking parity. This is what is said by the bench. And also the bench said that we hold that constitutional mandate under Article 170 Clause 3 serves as a bar, and demand for delimitation is contrary to the same and thus fails. Finally, the Supreme Court rejected this petition. The petition was filed seeking direction to the central government to conduct delimitation exercise in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. And earlier the petition was moved in the Supreme Court, contending that when the delimitation was conducted in Jammu and Kashmir and the number of seats were increased, and Andhra Pradesh and Telangana were left out. This was the contention in the petition, and that the same was arbitrary in nature. And hence, it was claimed that it violates the doctrine of legitimate expectations, and hence the petitioner moved to Supreme Court seeking Supreme Court to intervene. And Supreme Court, after hearing the matter, rejected the petition, and the comments made are very important here, where the Supreme Court said that these two states, that is Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, cannot be treated at par with Jammu and Kashmir.